Welcome to CAD Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of the hypocycloid, and in the other videos, we'll be constructing the normal and tangent to the hypocycloid that we draw in today's video. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the epicycloid. We aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of the hypocycloid. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the epicycloid. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line starting from here. And the length of the line will be 180 millimeters. Angle would be 150 degrees, 150 degrees, okay? Enter. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw an arc, 3-point arc, start, center, end. The center will be here. The radius will be 180 millimeters, and we'll come around just like that. Now, the next thing we need to do, we need to locate the center for the circle along this line. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw another arc, center here, and the radius would be 135 millimeters. Now, where this arc intersects the first line, that is the center for the circle. So we can actually go circle, intersection there, and the radius would be 45. Enter. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line from, we're going to turn off snap from this point to this point. Enter. The next, then what we're going to do, we're going to delete this line for the time being, right? Good. Now the next step is to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So I'm going to go to array. I'm going to drop down polar. I'm going to select this line. Enter. I'm going to select the center of the circle. Then I'm going to change 6 from 6 to 12. I need 12 divisions. Okay. Enter. All right. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to measure dimension, and I'm going to measure from there to there, and that is 23. So what that means, I need 12 arcs to be rolled along the arc there, right? So we're going to come now. Arc, center, start, end. We're going to come here. The radius would be 23. Enter. I mark that arc. At the intersection, I'm going to draw another arc, radius 23. So center, 23. So we're going to get arc, center, start, end here. The length will be 23. Press enter. We'll mark another arc. Then we're going to come here. We're going to go center, start, end again at the intersection. Then this radius will be 23. Going to come again, center, start, end. So go center. The radius will be 23. Enter. We're going to go center, start, end again. So center will be here. The radius will be 23. Gonna come here again. Center, start, end. The radius will be 23. Gonna come again. Center, start, end. The radius will be 23. Come again. Center, start, end. Gonna come again. Center, start, end. Radius will be 23. Then we're going to center this a bit. So we're going to repeat the process again. Center, start, end. So we're going to go Radius will be 23. Gonna come again. Center start end. 23. Enter. We're gonna do one more. This radius will be 23. All right, let's count how many arcs we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's check again. One. All right, so we have completed this part of the drawing. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw the lines from the center O down here. Let us do that now. All right. So from the center of this arc, which is down there, we're going to draw a line from, let's turn on snap. From there, I'm gonna turn on snap. I'm gonna draw a line to here, enter. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna label this point O. So we're gonna go single line text. I'm gonna label this point O. And this is also O up here, okay? All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna draw lines from O to each of the points on the curve, all right? So we're gonna go from line to there, enter, there 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 to there, enter, enter, there to there, enter, there to there, enter, there to there, enter. All right, we're gonna indicate this radius, okay? So we're gonna go to dimensions and we're gonna go to radius and we're gonna click this arc. I'm gonna put it right there. All right, so that's radius. The next thing we're gonna do, we're going to label the points on the arc. We're gonna go single line text right there. We're gonna make the height 6. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the hypocycloid. In the next video, we'll be completing the drawing and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.